That you've bought your wicked carbon boomer, so congratulations. We feel this is the finest boomerang that's ever been made. It's taken us 2 years to develop, and it's based on our outdoor boomer, but of course we've increased the weight, we've added carbon fiber and different materials to make this what we believe to be the best boomerang of all time. So this is your wicked carbon boomer right here. You're watching this on your USB stick, which is down there, and to open the box, simply slide it out. The world's most expensive production returning boomerang, written there right on the top. And on the back there is a hole, so press your finger through the hole and just slip it out like so. Otherwise you'll damage the foam. So here it is, the wicked carbon boomer. So the carbon boomer itself is 55 grams, there or thereabouts, give or take 2 or 3 grams. It allows it to go a distance of around about 35 meters, so it's a nice mid-range boomerang. Beautifully balanced, perfectly balanced. It's made from hand-laid carbon fiber, and again it took us 2 years to develop, so we're very, very pleased with the result. Just a beautiful, beautiful finish. Perfectly weighted, perfectly balanced. Around the inside that you can't see is aramid, which is like a Kevlar material, which strengthens the tips of the wings, so that if it does get chipped or anything like that, it won't shear away. And just we're very, very proud and very, very pleased with the result. So what I'm going to do today as well is show you how to throw the wicked carbon boomer as if you haven't ever thrown a boomerang before. We assume that you have, but if you've never thrown a boomerang before, we're going to take you through the different steps of how to throw a boomerang, because you've got no other instructions on this apart from this USB stick in this video. So let's get started on the instructions on how to throw a boomerang. First of all, I'm going to show you how to hold a boomerang, and essentially you want to hold it between the thumb and forefinger like this in your hand, and then lay it back so that it sits nice and flat behind there. That means that when you throw the boomerang, that forward motion, it's going to automatically impart spin. What makes a boomerang come round is the forward movement and the spin of the boomerang as well. So you need both working with one with the other. So just like that. So when you release, go straight ahead. The direction of throw is very, very important. First of all, the direction with regard to the wind. So the best thing to do is to pick up some grass or sand, depending on where you are, and see which direction the wind is coming in. Right now the wind's coming towards us here. So what you want to do is face the wind. Imagine the wind's coming towards me here. You face the wind and you want to throw 45 degrees to the right hand side of the wind. So there's your 90 degrees, a right angle, and right in the middle of that. So, and it's straight ahead. And also when you throw, you don't want to throw up too high or too low. You want to aim for the horizon or on a slight pitch above the horizon, maybe 5 degrees maximum. And that just gives you that really, really nice flight circle right across. Also the angle of throw, if you can see it here, that's straight up ahead. You can actually lean it over slightly. So around about there. So when you release, it just stays probably about, you can make it stay about 3 meters above the ground, something like that, and just come right back to the spot. So let's give it a go on our first throw of the wicked carbon boomer.